Hello and good morning everybody. I'm just going to give you a video to show you how you're doing your assignments today. So as you can see on the welcome part, today you'll be finishing your notes and summary. Below are the objectives, to-do list, and a helpful welcome video which you're watching right now. I made to show you how to do assignments today. So your objectives for today, I will be able to select and write the 4 most important details from the article Face Your Fears. And I will be able to write a summary of Face Your Fears with a topic sentence, and 3 details with transition phrases. On your to-do list are finish notes, and do not click submit on them, use your notes to write a summary, and click on the click here when you're done page. So when you come into Wednesday, you'll see click here assignments for today. So to write your summary, you'll need to look at your notes. If you haven't finished your notes yet, please finish them before moving on to the summary. Once you have finished your notes and your summary, you can submit both assignments. Click below to open your notes. So this is if you did the PowerPoint version. You open it up and it looks like this. Remember that it starts with this little to-do list that tells you that you're reading the article, filling in details, and so on. This was the sample page that I did. This was the next page. You're just taking details down for each of these sections. So this first main idea is still this section right here. So you're writing down 2 details from this section. Then you'll see another blue circle that says find your focus. That's because the next main idea starts right here, find your focus. It lines up. And then you write the detail from here. When you continue, you see find your focus again, find your focus, they line up. And you write 3 details right in here. On the next one you have find your focus. One more time, it lines up. And then it's just a game, which also lines up, and you get your detail. Once you do all of that, you come down here to stop and reflect. You write the 4 details that you think are the most important. Remember that you can copy and paste them right here. Exit out of that and go back. If you did the Microsoft Word version of notes instead, here you will see the same exact article, and it has your main idea and details. I did the first 2. You just keep reading, you find 2 more details to then write here. You get the next section, find your focus, and you write 5 details from here. If you can't find a whole 5, then at least 3 would be great. Then down here for It's Just a Game, you write 1 detail. Then you scroll all the way to the bottom, same exact thing. You write the 4 most important details, and you can copy and paste them right there. Obviously this doesn't apply to us anymore. So once you do your notes, remember you don't submit them. I would just keep them open. And go back. Then you have your summary. When you open up your summary, you'll see that I broke it down for everybody. So, writing a summary, facing your fears. The tips are include details from text, write details in order, don't include opinions, and 3 or more sentences. So first we break it down. It says write your 4 most important details here. This is where you need your notes. You click right back into your notes, go to the bottom where you wrote your 4 most important details, or if you did the PowerPoint version instead, it's going to just be what's on the last slide. Right here. So you would copy them there and paste. So then once you have your 4 most important details, you think about it. Do they appear in the order that they were in the text, meaning do they go in order first, second, third, and fourth in the pages? And then do they include personal opinions? I mean your opinion as a student. I don't mean the opinions of the athletes in the article. That's completely fine to have their opinions. Then you come down here Since this is our first time working with this, I gave us a topic sentence. It has the title of the article, Face Your Fears. It has the name of the author, Dana Hudepohl. And then it has basic information of who and what the article is about. Who is 3 Olympic competitors, and what is give advice on how to handle stress under the pressure of success. So this is the full topic sentence. In the article, Face Your Fears by Dana Hudepohl, 3 Olympic competitors give advice on how to handle stress under the pressure of success. So you come down here, it says the first detail, you choose a transition phrase, or you can make your own. So for example, say that I pick first. Then you use your first important detail, come back up here, copy that first one, and paste. That's your first sentence. Then you move down to the second one, choose another transition phrase. Then, for example, come up here, copy that second detail, come back down and paste it. You have your second sentence. And then the third detail right here, pick your last transition phrase, come up and copy one of these 2 details, then come down here and paste. You only need 3 and you have your third sentence. Then down here it says write your summary, copy and paste or write your topic sentence, first detail and transition phrase, second detail and transition phrase, and third detail and transition phrase. So here's the topic sentence, I already copied it there. In the article Face Your Fears by Dana Hudepohl, 3 Olympic competitors give advice on how to handle stress under the pressure of success. So you're going to come up and you're going to copy right here your first transition phrase and detail and paste. Then your second one, copy it and paste. And then the third one, copy it and paste. So you're just taking everything from these steps to make your full summary. Once you've done that, you're done. The summary is complete. If you have any questions, please send me a message and I'll try to get back to you. Remember that I'm not here for office hours today. And the one tip I have, if you're having glitches and issues, click on where it says editing and then open in desktop app. This can be very helpful, and you just click allow at the top because it's a lot less glitchy to work on it right here, and it's the same as it would be online. You can also do that for your notes and on the PowerPoint it just says it right here. So that's what you are going to be doing. Once you've finished everything, you can submit everything, and that is all.